Welcome back to English Conversation Hub. Do you want to sound more natural in English? Then watch this fun and simple conversation between two friends using phrasal verbs. Learn real life English the easy way through everyday talk. Hey, Mike, are we still going ahead with the camping trip this weekend? Yeah, definitely. I just need to wrap up some work before Friday. Have you packed yet? Not yet. I was going to start tonight. I need to dig out my old tent from the garage. Make sure it's not torn. Last time you had to patch it up on the spot, remember? Yeah, I totally forgot about that. I'll check it out tonight. Also, are we going to stick to the same hiking trail? I thought we could switch it up this time. I looked up a new spot that's supposed to be less crowded. Sounds good. Did you figure out the food situation? Sort of. I'll pick up some snacks and easy meals tomorrow. We can cook up something simple at the campsite. Cool. I'll bring the stove and utensils. Also, don't forget to charge up your power bank. We'll need it for the GPS. Good call. Oh, and remind me to print out a map too, just in case the signal drops out again. Absolutely. I'll jot that down. Let's meet up at my place Saturday morning and head out from there. Perfect. I'll set out early and swing by your place around 7. That way we can beat the traffic. Sounds like a plan. Let's hope the weather holds up. Yeah, fingers crossed. Either way, we'll make the most of it. You bet. It's been a while since we hung out properly. I'm really looking forward to it. Me too. Time to get away from it all and just chill out. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.